Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the hot and healthy world of saunas. These sweat lodges have been enjoyed for centuries, from the ancient Roman baths to Finnish traditions, and for good reason. But beyond just relaxation, did you know that regular sauna sessions can unlock a myriad of health benefits? In this video, we'll be your wellness guides as we explore 7 evidence-based ways saunas can seriously upgrade your health journey. We're talking about boosting your heart health, giving your skin a natural glow-up, and even potentially adding years to your life. So grab your water bottle, get ready to sweat, and let's uncover the incredible power of the sauna together. Let's kick things off with your heart, the engine of your body. Just like a good cardio session, the heat from a sauna raises your heart rate. We're talking about those feel-good endorphins kicking in, your blood vessels dilating, and your circulation getting a serious boost. This natural increase in heart rate is like a workout for your cardiovascular system, improving its efficiency and potentially even lowering blood pressure. Think of it as giving your heart a little high-intensity interval training, HIIT, without hitting the treadmill. But remember, consistency is key. Regular sauna sessions can lead to long-term cardiovascular benefits, helping you live a longer, healthier life. Ever heard of the lymphatic system? It's your body's natural detox network, working tirelessly to remove waste and toxins. But here's the thing. Unlike the circulatory system, which has the heart to pump it along, the lymphatic system relies on muscle contractions and movement. That's where saunas come in. The heat encourages your lymphatic system to kick into high gear, promoting the flow of lymph fluid and helping your body flush out those unwanted toxins more effectively. And the best part? A healthy lymphatic system means a stronger immune system, leaving you feeling revitalized and ready to take on the day. Let's talk about your kidneys, those hard-working filters that keep your blood clean. They're constantly working overtime to remove waste products from your body. But did you know that sweating can actually lighten their load? When you sweat in a sauna, your body eliminates toxins not just through your kidneys, but also through your skin. This process takes some of the pressure off your kidneys, allowing them to function more efficiently. It's like giving your kidneys a much-needed spa day. By reducing their workload, you're supporting their long-term health and overall well-being. Ready for naturally radiant skin? Saunas can help with that. Imagine this. The heat opens up your pores, allowing for a deep cleanse that removes dirt, oil, and impurities. It's like a facial steam at your fingertips. But the benefits go beyond just a deep clean. The increased blood flow we talked about earlier, that rushes nutrients to the skin's surface, promoting collagen production and giving you that healthy, youthful glow. So, wave goodbye to dull skin and say hello to a natural, sauna-induced radiance. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just finished a tough workout, your muscles deserve some TLC. Saunas can be a game changer for muscle recovery and growth. Picture this. The heat penetrates deep into your muscles, relaxing them, easing soreness, and reducing tension. It's like a warm hug for your aching body. But that's not all. Remember the increased blood flow? That plays a crucial role in delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, aiding in repair and promoting growth. So next time you're feeling sore, consider a sauna session for a natural recovery boost. Feeling stressed or down? Saunas can be your go-to mood booster. The heat from the sauna triggers the release of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain. These endorphins act as natural painkillers and stress relievers, leaving you feeling happier, more relaxed, and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. Think of it as a natural high without any of the negative side effects. Regular sauna sessions can be a powerful tool for managing stress, improving your mood, and promoting overall well-being. Now, let's talk about the potential for a longer, healthier life. Recent studies suggest that regular sauna use may be linked to reduced inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is a serious health concern, linked to numerous diseases. By reducing inflammation, saunas may play a role in preventing these conditions and promoting longevity. While more research is needed, the evidence is promising. Imagine adding years to your life and feeling younger and healthier while you're at it. So there you have it, from heart health and detoxification to glowing skin and even potentially a longer lifespan, the benefits of regular sauna sessions are undeniable. Incorporating this ancient practice into your wellness routine can lead to a happier, healthier you. However, it's crucial to remember that sauna use isn't for everyone. If you have any underlying health conditions, especially heart conditions or high blood pressure, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before stepping into a sauna. Remember, your health is a journey, not a race. Listen to your body, stay hydrated, and enjoy the incredible benefits of the sauna safely and responsibly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness advice.